Hello everyone. Today we will draw a squirrel. Grab a paper and black marker and draw along. Begin by drawing a letter C for the head. Draw a small rectangle for the nose. Complete the head with two curves. Draw the eye and the mouth and a triangle for the ear. The cap of the acorn is an oval with a flat bottom. Draw a semicircle for the hand and add two curves for the arm. Draw a letter U for the nut. Add a tip to the nut and a stem to the cap, and two lines for fingers. Draw a curve for the belly and a curve for the back. The foot is a flat oval with a little line for the toe. For the tail, start with a big curve and add a small curve to create a wavy line. Draw 4 quarter circles, each one larger than the previous, to form a spiral. Add a curve in the opposite direction for another wavy line. Now we can color our drawing. Make the cap brown and the nut an ochre yellow. With this yellow, we also add a triangle in the ear, a curve for the snout, a curve for a belly spot, and a wavy line in the tail. The rest of the squirrel we can color orange. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.